This is the part 3 of my video. This is my sister. She's watching on Facebook. My sister is gonna buy it. Sorry guys. By the way guys, if you're playing Eggy Party, join me. My name is Irish123. That is so good. You can play in playground. Okay guys, I'm done eating. There, it's close. Time to eat this cow chicken. Let's see you in the part 4 guys. Bye bye.